Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Model 3 console wrap is probably one of the most impactful yet simple upgrades you can make to personalize your Tesla's interior, transforming that often scratched and fingerprint-prone center console into a sleek, stylish, and protected surface that truly reflects your taste and keeps your car looking showroom new with minimal effort, enhancing both the aesthetics and the longevity of this high-traffic area. Number 5. Tesla Model 3Y Carbon Fiber Center Console Wrap. Elevate your Tesla's interior with our premium carbon fiber center console wrap. Designed for a perfect fit, it adds a touch of sportiness and sophistication. Installation is a breeze thanks to our specially designed pieces. They ensure a faster, more accurate application with fewer chances for error. Forget about tricky trimming. You won't need a razor blade for this. The only tool required is the included squeegee for a flawless finish. Install with complete confidence. Every order comes with installation protection, offering a free replacement piece if you encounter any installation errors. Please note that this Generation 1.0 wrap is specifically designed for vehicles built between 2018 and 2020. Ensure compatibility before purchase. What we like. This option offers a free replacement piece for installation errors, making it incredibly forgiving. It's designed for a faster, mistake-free installation with no need for a razor blade. If you're new to car wraps or want the most stress-free installation experience, this is the one to consider. What people say. The pieces in this kit are cut perfectly to fit. No razor needed. And it came with the wipes and a squeegee to help you install everything. These guys offer a super affordable, great-looking product that is not overly difficult to install. The wrap was cut for an exact fit. Number 4. Farmogo Carbon Fiber Wrap Kit for Tesla Model Y3. This interior decoration wrap kit is exclusively designed for your Model 3 and Model Y. It offers a precise fit, ensuring full coverage without hindering any original functions. Crafted from high-quality, durable material, it's wear-resistant and scratch-resistant. This wrap feels like it's part of your original center console, offering a hard and long-lasting finish. Protect your center console from everyday scratches and fingerprints. It effectively prevents interior aging and scratching, keeping your car looking new. The matte finish provides an anti-glare surface, enhancing driving safety. It also adds a beautiful, upgraded look to your car's interior. Featuring a realistic carbon fiber pattern with a clear touch texture, this wrap is only 0.2 mm thick. It beautifully enhances your center console's appearance and overall grade. Installation is a breeze with our peel and stick design. The forgiving material prevents curling, and the traceless adhesive ensures a secure fit without leaving residue. What we like. Featuring a matte finish, this wrap provides an anti-glare surface crucial for driving safety. It's also highly resistant to scratches and fingerprints, keeping your console looking pristine. If you prioritize a clean look and enhanced driving visibility, especially in bright conditions, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Excellent quality, fits perfectly and looks amazing. High quality, much more durable over OEM with regard to preventing scratches and unnecessary wear and tear. The material is not like paper, or a sticker. It's much more stiff, which makes it easier to install. The sticky side is very sticky, so you have to take your time installing it. Number 3. CupHolderHero Tesla Model 3 Console Tray. Elevate your new car experience with our custom-designed center console tray. Engineered for a precise fit, it offers a sleek look and durable protection that lasts. Go beyond basic floor mats. This set protects your center console from spills and grime, keeping your vehicle's interior looking pristine and stylish. Enjoy peace of mind with our lifetime warranty. We guarantee this is the only liner set you'll ever need, ensuring lasting quality and value for your vehicle. Save time and money on car washes. The textured design catches spills, and the easy-to-remove liners make cleaning effortless, keeping your console looking its best. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This custom-fit accessory set is ideal for anyone who appreciates a clean, detailed, and personalized car interior. Our unique, patented material withstands extreme heat without any unpleasant odors, ensuring your console stays protected in any condition. What we like. This product comes with a lifetime warranty and is engineered in the USA for a precise fit, offering a custom organizer tray rather than a wrap. It's designed to catch spills and keep your console tidy. If you're looking for long-term durability and a functional organizer that fits perfectly, this is a solid pick. What people say. This tray definitely helps. I bought a separate coin organizer to put in here that holds nickels, dimes, and quarters, and then I put pennies in the little coin compartments. There are 2 other separate compartments that are just the right size for holding a few important items I need to get to often and quickly, like the garage door opener. Since the console storage itself is pretty deep and also holds the SSD for dashcam and sentry mode, I like that this organizer blocks someone from readily viewing the rest of the compartment if the door is open. Exactly what is needed to make this console space truly useful. My phone wouldn't always stay on the angled surface in front. It kept falling off, so I was placing it on the console, but worried the glossy surface would get scratched. This perfectly solved this problem and also gave me a place to put the small things I wanted to grab quickly on my way out of the car. It fits perfectly in the console while allowing me to keep some bigger items below it. This fits perfectly in the center console of my Model 3 and gives a lot more convenient organizational space than the giant hole in the stock console. Number 2. Tesla Model 3Y Center Console Wrap Gen 2.0. Elevate the look and feel of your Tesla's center console. Our Gen 2.0 wrap offers a premium Tesla interior white finish. Designed for a perfect fit, this wrap seamlessly integrates with your existing console. Enjoy a clean and sophisticated aesthetic. Protect your center console from scratches and wear while adding a touch of elegance. It's built to last and maintain its pristine appearance. Applying the wrap is a breeze, requiring no special tools. You can achieve a professional look in minutes. Experience the improved Gen 2.0 design, crafted for optimal aesthetics and durability. It's the perfect enhancement for your Tesla's interior. Achieve that clean, minimalist Tesla look with our specific interior white color. It complements the car's original design beautifully. What we like. This option provides a clean white interior aesthetic for your console, offering full coverage. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your car's interior. If you're aiming for a bright, minimalist look and want to refresh the appearance of your entire center console area, this is the wrap for you. What people say. The satin finish matches the seats perfectly. Looks much better than the factory finish. What I really like about this brand over the one I had before is that they have clearly spent time making the product as easy to install as possible. For example, the hardest part to install is the one on the cup holder section of the console. It's just annoying to line up the wrap around the cup holders as it tries to stick to the console. The install video gave very good instructions on how to do it and avoid the constant sticking of the wrapper as you adjust it. But what really made me happy was how the actual wrap section had 2 pieces of tape on the sides to help you align and secure the wrap down to let you get it as right as possible. This helps a lot. Number 1. Topfit Tesla Model 3Y Under Screen Storage Box. This storage organizer is custom designed for your Tesla Model 3 Highland and Model Y Juniper 2025 to 2026. It fits seamlessly under your center touchscreen, utilizing previously unused space. It provides convenient storage for small items like keys, coins, sunglasses, and charging cables. Keep your essentials within easy reach while driving. Made from durable, high-quality materials, it matches your car's interior aesthetics. The silicone contact points ensure no damage to your car and prevent noise. Installation is a breeze with its simple drop-in design. No tools or modifications are needed, it installs and removes in seconds for easy cleaning. Keep your center console tidy and organized. This provides a dedicated compartment for your everyday essentials, ensuring a clutter-free driving experience. What we like. This is a storage box designed to fit under the center screen, maximizing unused space for essentials like keys and cables. It features silicone padding to prevent noise and damage. If you're looking to declutter your console and add practical storage for small items, especially in the newer Model 3 Highland and Model Y Juniper, this is a smart addition. What people say. The compartments are perfect for everything from your phone to your favorite snacks. The sleek design fits seamlessly under the screen, maintaining that ultra-modern Tesla aesthetic. It's sturdy, hasn't moved since I put it on, perfect for holding my phone while I'm driving and don't need it mounted to see. The console tray provides easy access to your most frequently used items in your Telsa. It easily fits my sunglasses, garage door opener, cell phone, and my EasyPass tag. The non-stick rubber mat prevents your items from moving around and deadens any rattling sounds that would occur from storing things directly on the hard plastic tray. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.